Hi, this is Kevin Self from Concentrus. I want to share the quick tip to troubleshoot when you see the discrepancy between the location on hand and lot on hand mismatch. Particularly in this scenario, we're going to go over when lot number on hand is greater than location quantity on hand. This is our demo count, and I have identified an item with discrepancy. In my previous video, you can find how to identify item with the discrepancy between inventory location on hand and lot numbers. So when I go into this item, and when I look into quantity on hand, it's showing 0 under San Francisco. When I go to inventory detail and look at the lot number, there's 50 positive under this lot number. If I look into the lot number record, as you can see, there's a 50 under the San Francisco. So this could be due to there may be transaction with no inventory detail lot number set, or the wrong serial lot number was entered. To check these transactions, we'll need to create a report. Navigate to reports, inventory items, inventory valuation, customize detail. I'll open this in another tab. Under the edit column, select quantity column, and then mark add running balance column checkbox. And expand the quantity on hand folder, then select transaction serial and lot number. And then we'll move to the filters tab. We'll set the date range. And set the location. And since I know the item, I'm also going to filter the item by selecting the name. And finding the item. And I'll go to more option and uncheck the show 0 checkbox. And I'm going to change the name of the report by inventory. And I'll do save. So now we need to identify rows with missing value under transaction serial lot numbers, and then fix it and update the transaction. As you can see, there is nothing missing under for transaction serial lot numbers. So we'll need to identify wrong serial lot number that was entered for the transaction. So for example, this lot number example has the work order completed. So there was something that was added to your inventory and it was deducted by the item fulfillment. Same thing with these serial lot numbers where they were created and then they were deducted. And if you keep going down, there's serial lot number 1, 2, 3 with this transaction was being deducted -50, as you can see, but nothing with the 1, 2, 3 was ever inbounded, whether via work order or inventory adjustment or item receipt. So let's take a look at this transaction. So if you look into this transaction, there's still number 1, 2, 3 was fulfilled. So let's go ahead and change that. So because we have a 50 more on hand of this lot number, so we're going to enter that lot number to remove from the inventory 50 instead. So we'll go into it and then change the lot number, and we'll hit OK. And then we'll save. Since you realize the 1, 2, 3 is not available, same for this location right here. What we're going to do is we're going to uncheck this. And then do. And then save. So if we go back to the item record again, I'm going to refresh. Our inventory on hand still shows 0. And as you can see, we have nothing under the lot number where it's showing there's no on hand. I hope you enjoyed this video and it helps you to reconcile your inventory when lot number on hand is greater than location quantity on hand. Thank you for watching this video.